waste you gotta sit on around here to find a librarian.
Got some overdue books?
Who are you?
Leland.
Leland. Do you know where I could find the librarian or someone who calls themselves the librarian?
Yes.
You're the librarian.
Yes.
Who do you work for?
The school?
No, I mean, do you work for Jack?
No, his name is Dan. He's in charge of the administration building.
What?
Can I get my space back, please? Get up out of my grill one.
Fine. Look, I don't know if this is gonna mean anything to you, but I need to find the librarian about being my guide.
It does mean something to me.
Really?
Yeah, now if it's in Chinese or Swahili, it wouldn't have meant anything, but it's in English, I understood every word.
Look, I don't have a lot of time.
You're on a schedule, are you?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna be your guide. Where do I need to take you?
I don't know. I just know that I need to be there by 3:07 p.m.
Ah, ley lines. You need to go to Averill Park.
Ley lines?
Yeah, whoever sent you to me is messing with one of the ley lines.
What are you talking about?
You don't even know what you're messing with.
Okay. How about a little bit less indignation and a little bit more explanation?
Look, I can explain it all to you, but you're probably gonna be late.
Fine. Then why don't you just take me?
Got any money?
$50?
That'll work.
I'm not gonna just give you $50.
And I'm not just gonna take you to Averill Park.
I can Google it, you boob.
Yeah, but you need a guide. That means there's something you need to see. That means you need to follow one of the ley lines. And I'm the only one here that knows where the ley lines are.
Fine. Better earn this.
Follow me.
Where are we going? Where are we going now?
I'm gonna find my lucky tie.
What the? Oh my god. Ah!
Here it is.